Hello friends, this is Vishwa and you're watching Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to discuss about the top 5 methods where you can earn from the blogging for the free of cost. So in this video, I'm going to explain the full details friends. So watch the full video till the end, and also if you have any doubts, you can comment down below. Now before going to the video, please just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel friends. So I will be uploading all the related to the earning and also the blogging. So if you are not yet watched our playlist, so where you can approve your Google AdSense friends. So I already uploaded the proof also blogging for the beginners. So you can watch our playlist where you can get all Google AdSense approval. So as you can see here, so I will also give the link in the description friends, so you can watch it if you want to approve the Google AdSense. These are the main mandatory things where you need to have. So once you can watch the playlist, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down below. So let's get into the topic. So blogspot, so where you can earn with the first thing is friend Google AdSense. So first thing we can earn, if you have a nice traffic, we can earn from the Google AdSense. So first thing is this, and also if you want to have a Google alternative also, there are so many website friends, so where you can apply the ads in your blog and you can earn the money friends. So other websites, they will give the instant approval. There are some websites where you can get the instant approval. So if you want to know about that, you can comment down below. And also friends, there is another method called affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, so I will be introducing the nice app friends, where you will be getting all the collections of websites at one place. So Earnkaro, so I will give the link in the description friends. So Earnkaro is a website where you can promote or not and promote, where you can get the commission when the user or any of your customer will buy the products from your link. So for example, you are writing an article about the mobile. So if you are writing the article about the mobile, so you can just give the click here to buy. So just you can give like that, and you can make a link from the Earnkaro website and you can earn the money friends. So really you can earn the money for every purchase. You will be getting certain commission friends. Earnkaro is the app where you can get the certain commission, nice profit from it friends. So I will give all the links friends, what I am speaking in this video. I will give all the details and I will give all the links in the description. Just you can go through the link and you can download the app, or you can sign up for the website. And the third method is friends, where you can earn with the link shorteners. Yes friends, so link shortener, suppose let us think that you have any book or any product, so you don't want to sell it. So with the link shortener, what you can do it, so you can just shorten the link and you can give in your blog, so that when the user click on that, so for this you need no need to approve anything friends. This is the third thing where you can get earnings from the blogging. So where here friends, in the link shortener, so you will be getting a link, you can copy paste it over there. So I will give the link also. So for example, you can take it as AdFly. There are so many websites where you can do the link shorteners and you can earn the money friends. So when the user click on it, so they will displaying the ad over there. So once user click on skip, so there will be redirect to the original content what you have been given for your user. So this is also depending upon the countries friends. So totally for example, let us think that you are getting for the post you are getting the 1,000 views or 1,000 downloads. So once you are getting the 1,000 downloads, so you will be getting in India, suppose you may get nearly $2 to $5 so if you are traffic from the other country, you can earn more also friends, per 1,000 views, for 1,000 downloads I am saying this. And also there is another method called Referral Program friends. So where you can see in our YouTube channel, so as you can see here, I will be uploading all the earnings. So where you can just give the links and you can earn the money. So as you can see here, recently I have been uploading a video related to the like you can earn the money. You can write an article related to this. So for example, this is an Upstox app, friend. So for example, I'm saying, so if you write an full details about the Upstox and you can just describe, you can get the free Demat account and you can elaborate whatever knowledge you have about this Upstox. So and you can give the link, you can sign up with this so that you will be getting a free Demat account. So once the user is sign up with your link, so you will be getting, friends, 600 rupees per download. 600 rupees per download, friends. So it means that, let us think that there are 100 users. So let us calculate it. So let us think that, friends, you have an 100 users. So presently 100. So presently there is an offer for 500. Let us think into, let us, you have an 100 downloads, and the per refer you will get 500 rupees. And let us click. So as you can see here, friends, if you have a minimum 100 downloads, you will be getting an 50,000 rupees, friends. So it is real, and I have already uploaded a video, so you can see my proof also. So as you can see here, my earnings in just within 2 days with the payment proof I have been uploaded, friends. Not only this, if you are subscribed to my channel, friends, so you will be getting the lots of offer deals, so limited offer deals also. So you will be getting all the notification in our channel. You need to subscribe to our channel and then click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. And also, friends, I will give link in the description. If you are not yet install the Upstox app, so you can just go through that one. So you can install the app and you can refer through your friends and you can get the money. So this is the genuine method where you can earn. So you can just describe yourself how we can give the content to the user. So you can give all the details, what is the Demat account, so what is the Upstox, how you can create the, with the images you can write the article, you can and post it, friends. So with that you will be getting a good income. And also if you want to earn money like a limited period offer, so I will give link in the description, friends, about the earn money WhatsApp group. Just you can join through that, so that I will be posting all the deals, everything, so that you can, it will be helpful for your blog. And also the fifth thing is, friends, this is the, you need to have some like more traffic in order to get this promotions, friends. So basically promotions nothing but, let us think that I have some laptop, so not a laptop, we can take it as anything, friends. So if you have a nice traffic, we are getting something around more traffic every day, so you can approach to any company and you can tell like this, I have this much traffic and if I can promote your product, so that you can write an article for them and you can they will pay for that. And also if you have best traffic, they will only contact to you, so that you can just write about what your opinion and what are the possibilities and what are the negativities, everything, whatever you want, you can write it and they will pay for your promotion, paid promotions, friends. So these all five things are major things where you can earn money from it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you are think that this, if you are like my explanation, please do share this video with your friends and family members and like this video and comment your opinion below. So thank you, friends, thank you for watching this video.